That's just insurgency.
So I was standing like
I did not even realize that until now.
Try that.
That's just insurgency. They gotta cut some windows in that.
In the hood?
In that wall. Like that back wall. What? We didn't even figure out where the pit is.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know where it is either. If we see him, yeah. Come on. Oh, it's gotta be over there. Oh, there is a pit over here. That's right. Right there. Straight out, straight out, straight out. Straight out, straight out. Go. Hit. Did you get hit? Yep. Let's go. Let's flank him. Let's flank him. I'm gonna head in the tower.
Go for it. Good positions out there.
Yeah, I know it's LA.
It actually is. Because I have no clue.
Alright. That was useless. No, they're in gray. Magna, get out of full auto. Friendly coming up from rear.
Oh, I want to. My foot kind of hurts.
Dude, I'm playing on a sprained ankle.
Do you know where they are?
Might as well. Hug your tree.
Watch the left.
Oh, oh, oh.
Get cover, get cover. Guys, come on, move up.
What did you still smoke?
Yeah, apparently.
Hey, they're in that building over there.
Yeah, I know, they're in gray. Oh, shit. We're pinned right now. Is she still up over there?
I saw one person.
Is she still alive over there?
She's alive. What are you? Oh, yes. Okay, good.
Holy crap.
That was close. Oh, that was close. This is my life now.
Yeah, I know, I see it. That way.
Hello. Welcome. Guys, keep going. Yeah. Someone over here.
I'm at the building.
Moving.
I'm moving right.
I'm behind you.
Pull back. I'll move right. I'll come back. I'm gonna come back up when I move right.
Yeah, they're aiming right down that road right there.
I know, I know. Gray building, I'm assuming. Huh?
Pose.
No.
Try to come this. They haven't tonight. Gray built one. I know.
There's someone in tri-pit. Can I pop out of here? I'm gonna do this. Keep moving up. They're all at the left, so keep moving right. Enemy just moved in the gray building. I'm gonna try to. I need to get in that orange building. I have no cover here. Guys, cover the left. I need to move up. All right, I'm gonna try to make a run for the building.
Give me suppressed fire.
Yeah, just cover this side. As soon as you start shooting, let me know. I'm going. I'm in. Get some cover, dude.
What objective do you want?
We got the capture to the left.
How accurate is that thing?
It's relatively accurate.
We got blue building in the window.
Yeah, we're trying to get him. No, you might be able to go to your left. To your left. Straight up to me. In that building.
Reloading. You guys have a contact moving left.
Straight ahead of me in that building.
We'll try something. I'm being smart. I'm trying different types of cover, bro.
Hit.
Oh, come on, dude. Guys, keep pushing up.
What is he in?
He's still in that window.
Which one?
The window on the right of this gray building. I've been trying to hit him. I guess I can't from here. Alex, if you're gonna do that, get in the building.
What?
If you're gonna do that, get in the building so you don't get shot.
Coming from the right.
He's still there.
Yeah. Hold on.
I should be able to get in. I'm getting in there. I'm just not hitting him.
You don't see him anymore?
He might have. Did he walk out?
No, he's in there.
Guys, keep going up. Keep pushing up. Keep pushing up. Keep moving up.
I need something. Do you have any zoom on that dot?
No. Change? Yeah, this will pop up. Keep him suppressed, Alex. What the hell? You know what? I'm gonna dealing with this mag right now. Alright. Let him peek. I'm on you. Now I'm getting in there. Let him peek, Alex. Bro, you got a contact at your 12 on a trail. Are you? Bro, come on.
Did you get hit?
No, there's no way I'm not hitting this dude.
Do I need to run through those barrels? I gotta get some over there.
The window on the Great Building still has somebody. I'm not hitting him. You probably have a way better shot than I do on him. I might want to move over there.
Oh my god, my fucking chin hurts right now.
I'm gonna get to that big tree over there. I need you guys to keep him suppressed.
Yeah, I don't have the range to keep him suppressed and he knows it. He's not moving as soon as I peek out.
Chance is right in front of him, obviously. Now he isn't, but he just was.
Told him to, that's why.
Thank you.
No, there's... What was that?
He had to move. Oh, shoot right there. Or not. Come on. Contact down?
Yeah, guy down.
One, there's another one there. We gotta move up on that building. We need to move up on that building. Are you out of ammo?
Yeah.
Damn. I need to move right. Can you keep him covered? Keep him down. Unless he's down. No, he's still there. He's just peeking. Alex, watch your left.
Can we get to there?
I need to move right so I have a clear shot on him.
Is it safe on our left, so I'm saying?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Because someone can just shoot out that window and you can walk right up to them.
Or don't call anything.